So hi, today we are going to talk about how to increase the video quality when using Zoom. Basically, Zoom has become like an everyday thing that we use since the pandemic started to interact with our fellow colleagues at a business space and also to do a kind of like business meeting, having birthday parties and stuff. So, how can you increase the video quality without spending much on extra gadgets? So, this is why we are doing this video. It's just a simple steps on how to get the video quality enhanced. So for today we'll be doing the tutorials on a MacBook MI chip 2020 version. So first of all, you go to your settings, you go to preferences, click on preferences. Since it's the video that we are doing, go click on video, you scroll down, you come to the section that indicates my video. You go to adjust for low light, so you click there. For now it's on automatic, so you click on it and you come to manual where you adjust it. So right now you see the video quality. So if you're in a darker room, you can increase the brightness so that your video doesn't become so dark. People in the conference call won't see you. So when you do this, it's gonna save automatically, which increase your video quality. So you see from dark, where it's dark, it becomes a little brighter. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like the video.